Hello everyone, so I'm working on this maths app that I have created using MIT App Inventor, and that's really fantastic and amazing app that can solve your all problems. It means this will not solve just a basic maths, okay? This can solve your complicated maths problem. So let me just show you. So suppose simple one, 30 plus suppose 573, click on get result. Okay, cool, the result is this. Now let's find out and put the complicated one. So as you can see, these are the I have some equations. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, and let's try to put this and let's see the result. Okay, so let's just put it, click on clear button to clear this. Okay, so just put paste and get result. See 3.144, right? So that's the amazing app that we will create using MIT App Inventor. You can solve any equation problem. There are a lot of equation. Let me just try one more, and that one is this one is little complicated. So let's try this one, how this will work. Okay, just copy and let's go to the app. Just go here. Okay, and just paste it here and click on get result. Okay, the problem is equation is wrong. We have to remove this like this. So see, the result is this. So this can solve your all problems. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, tomorrow we will learn how we can create this app. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.